Process is very simple. First, go to the website online.io. Once you are there, you will be able to receive SMS verification codes. Select your preferred country from the list. Then choose the VK option, which costs $1.2. To proceed, you will need to top up your balance on the site. There are several payment options available, including Visa, MasterCard, Payeer, Quivi Wallet, and more. Just choose the one that works best for you and complete the recharge process. Once your balance is updated, the website will provide you with a temporary phone number. Copy that number and go to the VK registration page. Paste the number in the phone number field. VK will send a verification code to that number, and the code will appear on your same page on the online.io. Copy the code from there, paste it into the VK and complete the registration process. And that's it, you will be signed up for the VK without using your own phone number.